Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video we are cleaning my ironer. Yeah, so guys, I'll be doing two hacks that one of them I grew up hearing my mother saying she cleans her ironer with chalk. We always had chalk since she is an educator until today. So yeah, she cleaned her ironer with chalk, but the thing is I've never seen her doing it. I know her iron, my mom's iron is always clean, but I have never seen her cleaning the iron. And unfortunately, when I decided to do this method, I couldn't even phone her to find out whether I should do it when the iron is on or off. So I decided to do it when the ironer was on, and I must say I think it works, just with more working on your ironer. I think it definitely will work. And the second hack that I tried, because I was also just checking on the internet, what else can I do that will be more effective? What came across as something that worked majority than other things was toothpaste. So that's what I'm also going to be using. Yeah, personally, I think it's equally work the same. It's just that with a chalk, it needs maybe more working on it, while the toothpaste also it also needs more, like I really scrub this ironer with a steel wool when I was working with the toothpaste. So that's why I say it's equally works the same, because I didn't work so much when it came for me working with the chalk. But yeah, it's not as moving as I wanted it to be. Right now I'm gonna use Colgate toothpaste. That's what I got on the internet. That's what I saw everyone doing. I think the effective one so far was the toothpaste. Oh my god, and the iron is still hot, guys. So the iron is still hot. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna wrap it just like that. Okay guys, as you've seen, my iron is still a bit hot, but it's off from the plug. So I'm just gonna let it sit up until the iron has completely cooled off. Then I will scrub it with the steel wool. So yeah guys, my iron has cooled off a bit. So let's scrub and see if I'm actually going to get the result that I'm looking for. So guys, I really had to scrub a lot. Mind you, maybe the other reason that I had to scrub so much is because I applied the toothpaste on a hot ironer. So yeah, it got stuck, like really stuck on the ironer. But what also helped a lot was me using the knife. I think I think that the toothpaste made whatever that was stuck on the ironer more looser. So it was just easy when I worked with a knife. It just came out so easily. So yeah, also the knife helped a lot. Yeah guys, I hope this experiment was helpful for you. Personally, a chalk or toothpaste, for me it did equal job. So I'm quite happy, especially if your ironer is not extremely dirty. It will just do wonders, whether you're working with chalk or whether you're working with Colgate. It will just do the most. My chalk got lost. I had chalk, like I bought a box of chalk especially for cleaning my ironer, but it got lost. So I was using the small piece that I got while I was looking for it. And so that's why, it was not as effective as I would want it to be, because I was just working with a small piece on a hot ironer. So yeah guys, it's actually, chalk actually works. Now guys, stay tuned for me cleaning inside with the Cabro that I got. This chemical, I got it at Game, but you can also get it at Clicks. Yeah, guys, this is where I'm just gonna say bye bye. I won't be saying bye bye, but stick around. Let's clean this ironer inside now. As you can see outside, I think you know what, I don't think it can look more cleaner than this, as it is an old ironer. So but I'm quite happy with the result so far. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next upload. So it comes with 2 sachets. Let me move the ironer. It comes with 2 sachets inside. So now I am not cleaning the kettle. Kettle I usually use lemon, does wonders. So I have to dissolve half a sachet in of powder in 400 ml of hot water. So I'll do that. So got my jug here. So already have measurements. So 400 ml. I will do 400 ml of hot water. They said I must dissolve half a sachet. So which means you can use this like 4 times. So there's a half a sachet with my hand like this. And then I'll put in a different plastic. Forgot how much I got this, guys. If I will tell you that this is maybe more than 8 months sitting in my cupboard, so I'm not sure how much I spend on buying this, but yeah, you can get it at Clicks. I've seen it at Clicks. You can also get it at Game. I got mine at Game though. So I'll put hot water here. I don't think I used the right jug to pour here, but nevertheless. Okay guys, I must say this is the result. This is the final result. So let's quickly iron now. I've rinsed it already 4 times. And I must say I'm liking how it works now.